Hi everyone, today I'm going camping. I'm at Lake Patagonia. I'm gonna go fishing, swimming. It's gonna be a blast and I'm gonna take you along. This is my campsite. It's pretty. Let's go check out the lake. Look at those big mushrooms. Those look crazy. It's clearing the site for the tents. We're gonna put one tent here. So this is my campsite. We got the table, we got the overhead tarp. They won't let us light a fire, so we had to bring our own propane grill, and we bought a really nice one, which I'll show you guys later. But I'm really excited to be camping. It's so pretty here. So far, we have 2 tents up, see? And we're gonna get one more over here. I'm gonna help set that one up. So I've never had a camping tent. And I just bought this one, so I'm really excited to put it up. It's a 10 by 10, so it's pretty big. You can stand up in it. Look how big it is. I'm so excited to be camping. I have never put a tent up, so we'll see how it comes out. All right, let's get started with this thing. Okay, I'm gonna put one over there and ride it through. How to put up a tent. I guess I gotta learn first and then I can show you guys. I don't think it's very hard. But it's super fun. It just soothes your soul to be out here camping. It's so relaxing, and I think it's gonna rain tonight. I can hear the thunder. It's coming closer and closer. All right. We gotta get the rain flap over because I can hear the thunder. So the tent's up. It's pretty big. Really nice. Let me show you guys. Right now I have nothing inside, but I'm about to fill it up. My brother's gonna sleep in a hammock, so we'll see with those dark clouds how that goes for him. They're getting really dark and thundery over there. We're cooking up a storm over here with this new grill we bought. Look at that, looks delicious. Hamburgers with cheese. Look at these hot dogs and chicken and hamburgers. So it's the end of the night and I'm in my tent. See? It's actually pretty roomy and comfortable. I have an air mattress in here. I'm sleeping in luxury, so it's super nice because I forgot sleeping bags. Thank God I had an air mattress, so at least I can sleep on that. We got rained out today. Thank God we had a little gazebo to sit under, so we were grilling under there. It just feels so good to be out here. It's so relaxing, and it's the perfect weather because the rain cooled it off. It's pretty hot in Arizona right now, but this was perfect. Tomorrow I'm going to do some fishing and some swimming, so I'll see you then. Good night.
When we wake.
When I woke up in the morning, there were cows everywhere, and they're white. They're so pretty. Good morning! I survived the night. It rained, it's beautiful, it's cloudy outside, and guess what we found? Come a little closer. Some big crawdads. Look at that big sucker right there. Ooh. Look at that guy. He's got big, huge claws. He's cool. What is it? It's a crawdad.
Oh, we don't want to touch it too close, but we can look at it.
Here's my tent. And my air mattress. My mom stayed over here. My brother stayed in the hammock all night. Seems uncomfortable, but he said it was pretty nice. And my brother stayed in the back here. And the lake is through those bushes right there. And we're having pancakes for breakfast. Those look really good. Today I'm at the lake. I'm gonna relax and have a good time with the family. It feels so good to be out here. It's so beautiful, so green and luscious. I hope I catch some fish so I can have them for dinner.
I want to see there.
You want to see this? I'm going to throw you in the water.
No.
What do you say about that?
No.
You want me to throw you in?
I just want to see.
All right, well, let's look at the auntie. Hi, auntie.
You having a good time fishing?
Yeah.
I almost got one. Okay, I need to cut him in half. So I'm at the beach. I'm about to go swimming down there. Doesn't it look awesome? They have a beach at this lake. It's wonderful. Look at how fun that looks. Look at that sand. It's so warm. Water feels so good. I'm about to take this canoe for a cruise out there. Oh, he likes to be petted. Oh, he's such a cute puppy. So we got rained out, huh Grace? It's pouring out there, but we had a blast in the kayak and we got to swim a little bit. Look at the rain out there. And people are actually in the water. They don't care. Oh, they look like they're having an even better time. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.